Hi everybody, and today we're here in Sevierville, Tennessee, and we're going to go to the Rainforest Adventures. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Looks like they got a little bamboo cave here. So this is what it looks like in here. It's got like glass windows on each side exhibiting all the different animals here. What's this guy here? He's a
brown lemur.
Brown lemur. What you doing, buddy? He's a brown lemur, huh? You got pretty eyes. A little sugar glider. Can barely see him. He's hanging out in his house there. These guys here are lovebirds. At first I thought they were parakeets. Painted lizards. A crested gecko. Well, there's a tarantula. This guy is a legless lizard. Look at him. He's got pretty eyes. Kind of looks like a snake though. This guy here, he's taking a nap. He's a leopard gecko. Got some rats. Looks like they had their lunch and now they're taking a little snooze. Hey guy, see that? There's a Gila monster. He's pretty. Some doves. Okay, so you got this dinosaur looking dude here. Now I'm not even going to start to pronounce his name, but that's what he is. Green tree python.
The Malayan water monitor.
Malayan water monitor. There's a big South American toad. He's huge. There's another tarantula in there. Big old hairy one too. See that? Gross. Well, it's pretty cool, huh? We're having a good time. Got to see some really cool lizards back there. There's a tarantula for you too.
Little lamb, yeah.
Little lamb. Is that a little lamb?
7 days old today.
Oh.
What's her name?
Her name is Fast. Her mother had twins and pushed her away, so
Oh.
she's been our little bottle baby. She's getting strong and doing good. Aren't you, kid? Come on.
Definitely attached to you.
Oh yeah, I'm where the milk comes from.
It's the dugoo. Studying the dugoo has greatly helped science develop diabetes medications that are used in treating people.
So we got the dugoo, right? Well, actually, I think that might be like, what, a chinchilla or something up there? I don't know. Another little chinchilla bit. These here are the dugoo, I believe. There's another one over there. Okay, so we're outside here, like behind the zoo, and there's a little petting zoo back here. They have like emus and little like miniature donkeys, and they got some sheep over there. They're having babies right now, so that's pretty cool. And then there's a mother goat over there. It looks like she's about ready to have a baby. So it's starting to become springtime here in the Smokies, right? Things are starting to happen, right? So, yes. And some of them, when you walk by them and you don't feed them, they're like, meh. Hey, Dawn, have you been attacked by any goats lately?
No, but when I was a kid, we had goats, and we used to get attacked by them all the time.
There's a little donkey over there. You see him?
Hey, pretty boy. Hi, baby.
Warning, coyote activity. Actually, coyotes are a big problem here in the area, aren't they, Dawn?
Yes.
So a couple nights ago, we caught a coyote on our front porch, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
And yeah, and they've been coming back nightly, haven't they?
Yes.
I think they're after the honey bear, right?
I think so. They're literally on our porch, and that's just kind of scary.
Yeah. So definitely, we gotta be on the lookout for the coyotes. We found the chameleons. They come and go. Dawn runs and goes. Especially sees the snakes, right?
Ugh.
Yeah, she don't like snakes. Chameleon. Here's one of my favorites, the ringtail lemur. They got really pretty eyes, and look at their like little hands. Cotton-top Tarmanians. These guys are so cool looking. Look at them. I think they're like a monkey or something, aren't they? Yeah. They're like little monkeys. Look at that guy up there. Okay, Dawn, so what did you find?
Maybe we were going to eventually come across that.
That? What's this?
Probably some kind of weird python snake. Yep. Brunos.
Burmese.
Pythons. Ooh.
Actually, a couple of them in there. Look at this dude here. It's actually pretty big.
What do they eat?
This one here is a pretty vanilla lemon color. I think these ones here are kind of rare, you know, the lemon cut type there. Iguana. Beautiful kitty though. Meow. Servo cats. Look at that porcupine. They're actually really big. I mean, bigger than what you think they would be. Oh, he's getting mad. He might quill somebody. So you probably don't like all these noisy neighbors you have in here, like that guy over there, huh? Making all that ruckus, right? Yeah, see? Yeah, he parties all night and all day, right? What? What'd you say? What's your neighbor doing again? What are you doing down there? He's got his head up his neighbor's. Did you see?
Up his neighbor's.
Okay. He's got his head up his neighbor's, right?
Woohoo.
Look at that. See?
I don't know what's going on with
We try to keep the channel clean, don't we?
Yes.
But sometimes
Carrots bite.
it's just hard. I see you got a little yellow on your back, and that's what happens when you hang out in your friend's bottom there, buddy. Don't do that. Oh, you love me? I love you too. So what's going on down there? You having fun? I know you've been loud lately. I can hear you all through the whole place. You're all being quiet now. But are you shy? You're not shy. He's like, nah. Shy? Are you shy? You hiding over there on us? Really cool gift shop in here. Well, that was the Rainforest Adventures Zoo here in Sevierville. What'd you think about it, Dawn?
It was nice in there.
Yeah, it was really cool. It's a nice little place. I would definitely say this would be a place for a rainy day when you come here to the Smokies, right?
Right.
I think it costs us about $15 a person. There might be some discount coupons out there. Well, if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you don't miss any more of these upcoming Smoky Mountain adventures. And we're going to have plenty of Smoky Mountain adventures. And until next time, everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. A Roadrunner speed is 20 miles an hour, while the Coyote can reach up to 43 miles an hour. My whole childhood was a big lie. The truth, right?
Yes.
Hey man, way too much tequila. Way too much.